Stop just writing code. Start building your foundation.
Dad, I have a really, really important question.
Whoa, slow down, little man. I'm right here. What's the big question?
Okay, so at school today, my friend Aiden said his mom is a doctor and his dad builds bridges. And I told everybody that my dad is a software architect.
Ha, software architect. You're pretty close, buddy. I love that you told your class about it.
Yeah, but then Mrs. Chen asked me what that means, and I didn't really know what to say. So, Dad, what is a software architect? What do you actually do all day?
That is a great question, Archie. And you know what? I think I can explain it in a way you'll really understand. Tell me something. You love building with Legos, right?
Legos? Okay, yes, I am definitely listening now.
Good. So imagine I asked you to build the biggest, most amazing Lego castle you've ever made. Hundreds and hundreds of pieces. Towers, bridges, a moat, everything. Now, how would you start?
I'd just start building. I'd put the biggest pieces down first, and then just keep going up and up and up.
Right, and that's what most people would do. But do you remember what happened last time you built a really tall tower without thinking about the base first?
Oh, yeah, I remember that. The tower for my dragon fell over and smashed my whole village. That was the worst day ever.
I know, buddy, but here's the thing. That's exactly the problem I solve every single day, just with software instead of Legos. See, when a company wants to build something with computers, an app, a website, a whole system that millions of people will use, someone has to be the person who steps back and asks, wait, before we start snapping pieces together, how do we make sure this thing doesn't fall apart? And that someone is a software architect. That's me.
Oh, so a software architect is like the person who makes the plan before anyone starts building?
Exactly. I'm the person who designs the blueprint. I decide how all the big pieces fit together, which parts of the system talk to each other, how we keep people's information safe, and how we make sure that when 1 million people use it at the same time, it doesn't crash. I think about the foundation first, just like you should think about the base of your Lego castle first.
Whoa, so you think about all of that before the computer stuff even starts?
Every single day. And sometimes it's hard because people want to start building right away. They're excited, just like you with your Legos. But my job is to slow things down just enough to make sure we're building something strong, something that will last.
Like our house. Mom always says she loves our house because it was built to last.
Yes, that's a perfect example. Our house. The builders didn't just start throwing up walls. An architect drew the plans first. They thought about where the sunlight comes in, where the pipes go, how to make sure the roof can handle the rain. That's what I do with software. I build forever homes, just in the digital world. And actually, buddy, that idea is at the heart of something I really believe in. I call it ArchiStack.
ArchiStack? What's that? That sounds like a superhero name.
Well, it sort of is my superpower. ArchiStack is a way of thinking. It means that when you build something, whether it's a Lego castle, a treehouse, or a piece of software, you don't just build it fast. You build it so it stands the test of time. You think about the people who will use it. You think about what happens if it needs to grow bigger. You think about what happens 5 years from now, not just 5 minutes from now. It's about craftsmanship, Archie. It's about caring enough to do it right.
Don't just build it fast. Build it so it lasts. I really like that, Dad.
I'm glad, son. That really means a lot to me. Because that's what I want to pass on to you. Not just how to build things, but how to build things that matter. Things you can be proud of.
Wait! So when I plan out my Lego castle first, and I think about where the doors go, and I make sure the walls are strong before I add the towers, I'm being like you. I'm being an architect.
That's exactly right. Every time you plan before you build, every time you think about the foundation first, you're thinking like an architect, like a real one. You know, Archie, you might just be the best 6-year-old architect I've ever met.
Ha! I'm Archie the architect. Dad, can we build something together? Like right now? A really, really big Lego castle with a plan and
Archie the architect. I love that. You know what? Let's do it. Right now. Let's build the greatest Lego castle this family has ever seen. But we're doing it the ArchiStack way. Blueprint first, foundation second, towers last. Deal?
Yes! I'll go get the Legos! This is going to be the best castle ever! And it won't fall down this time because we have a plan!
I'm coming. And buddy, I'm really proud of you for asking that question today. Never stop being curious. That's the first step to building something extraordinary.
Dad, hurry! I found the big box! Where should we start? What's the architecture of a castle?